see my screen?
Uh-huh.
All right, so this is what we have thus far. So with the scoring, if you choose the wrong one, obviously you don't get a score. But if you choose the correct one, I've got it for increments of 10.
You. Nice job.
And it's not perfect yet because
Hey, it's something. Hey, Chino.
Hey guys.
So it's along with whenever you click the correct answer, it should refresh to the next question. And so we can just place this local storage and scoring function within whichever answer is correct, the right one.
Okay.
And then it should increase by tens. So that's what's going on. I mean, and by the end of it, it should take you away from all of this, and you should be done or whatever with it. Here's the thing that I'm running into. For the local storage, right now I've got the high score at 100 until I hit the refresh, and then it resets to 0. It doesn't keep the 100% score yet. That's what I'm struggling with currently. It is. Here's my code. Let me see. So right now.
But it should clear when you refresh, right? But what if you?
Well, the high score, we want it to keep whatever the highest score you got within that category.
Right, but isn't that how local storage works? Is that like until you refresh it, when you refresh it, that's when it disappears?
No, that's a session. Local session.
Okay, my bad.
Or that's a session storage instead of a local storage. So local storage should keep the high score
through the refresh.
So here's why it's I understand why it's happening, because I set a global variable and set it to 0, and so whenever this function is run, which is whenever you refresh the page, I can't seem to find, okay, right here, onload high score, it runs this function, so it's pulling that global variable, which is 0, and setting it as the high score of 0. So what I'm trying to figure out is to sort of distinguish the high score from...
I see what you're saying, but I have no solutions.
Yeah, right. So I'm close. I'm close to locking it in.
Yeah, well, I'm impressed that you got as far as you did.
And also, I was able to talk to Melissa. Melissa got a hold of me.
Oh, what'd she have to say?
She was wondering what we were up to, I guess, what the plan was. And so I told her that the both of you were going to be working on Apex, and that her and I would try to get as far as we can with the local storage part.
Okay, so did she do any? Do you know?
I don't know. I don't know. And I wasn't able to drop all of this code within GitHub yet as well.
Okay, that was my next question.
It's just locally on my computer, and the, I guess, Text Wrangler or whatever program I use, I haven't been able to link it with a GitHub account.
Can you, like, just send that file as like an email attachment?
Yeah, I was thinking of just copying and pasting it right into the GitHub.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that was an option. There you go. Well, whatever.
Or something. I was going to figure something out like that.
Well, nice job. I'm impressed.
How about you, Chino?
Well, to be honest, I glanced at it one time. I didn't have a chance. I'm struggling with one class, so I had to submit all my stuff by Monday yesterday. So I did not sleep both nights, so I really was just struggling with one class. I kind of missed the part where you were in your presentation right now, like where you're talking about the code. But is that a part you can store the result in another page so you can keep that 100% somewhere? I think the hand point, is that a way you can store it, store that value?
Oh,
Or even could you just store it as a separate variable and then make like an if statement that says if
Yeah,
this
exactly.
variable exists, show this. If not, show this, the 0.
right.
Or is that what you probably knew that and that's what you've been trying to do?
No. That's I didn't know until you said it, and then it like clicked for me, and that's why I said right. Like that makes total sense. If I just create a separate variable for the high score versus just keeping
and then
the local score.
you sparked that one. Great thought.
The other question is, like we talked about, you're not supposed to refresh. Oh, there's only one time you have to refresh the page, right, at the end?
Hang on, you're breaking up. Sorry.
I said the only time you have to refresh is it when exactly at the end of the game?
Right. And so, like, it really shouldn't matter. Because, right, Ajax is supposed to switch the problems
Correct.
live. So, we're close.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's getting really close. So what part that we have to work on, me and Lindsay?
So one thing that's going to need to happen, we just need to be able to switch a problem live, like without refreshing the page is all.
Yeah, without going to another page, which is what it's doing right now. If you have 2 pages, separate pages, so it just my thinking is it should be as easy as just Ajax can just be that whole div and just change out the whole div of the picture and the answers. But I haven't. That's my goal tonight is mess around with it.
Right. Yeah. Because you could create separate HTML pages with just
Say that again.
So you would just have separate HTML pages.
Yeah, that's how it is right.
Problem.
Yeah, that's how it is right now.
And then you would just.
Did you upload it, Lindsay? Did you upload the latest one?
I think so. It should be, I think.
Let's see if I can follow it right now.
Let me look. Maybe not, but we'll see.
Promote and then.
Yeah, so so it's 2 separate HTML pages right now, and they're both on there. Sorry, hang on. Hey, spam.
Yeah, I can see only one for right now, but unless just.
On GitHub, mine shows 2.
Okay.
So I noticed one thing that we're missing. One thing that we were missing is the style sheet.
Okay.
And I think that's it.
That's funny. I wonder why it didn't include that. Well, I'll add it. I'll do it right now. If I can find it.
So you haven't made any changes to this code yet?
Not besides what's on GitHub, no.
So the only other page that I see is the index, right? The index HTML, and then the app2 file.
Yeah, so there should be app2 and index is all, and then a folder of 2 images.
Gotcha.
And then I'll add the CSS file if I can.
We're gonna separate CSS from.
Hang on. I am currently updating the code right now.
Okay, so on GitHub, I assume.
Yes, on GitHub. So
There we go.
now you should have the high score function added to it. Basically what I have so far.
Cool.
Awesome. Okay, well, I'm not finding my CSS thing right now, but obviously it's here. So I'll add. Oh, go ahead.
Sorry, I know I definitely have like a concrete deadline for my capstone project, and that's forefront in my mind right now. When is this due? It's Saturday night, is that correct?
I thought it was Friday, but and we have to do like a presentation for it though.
Okay.
Do you know it right off when that is, Chino?
I thought it was next week, but.
No, it's this week, I know that.
It's this week. It's the, next week is the journals.
Yeah.
Let me see what I can find.
It must just be in his announcements, because in the class it doesn't say anything.
Okay.
I've seen it somewhere. Collection.
Oh.
So what's the journal like for next week? We have to submit all the journals? Or anything that it's missing?
Well, you have to make like a summary.
Oh, okay.
Of everything you've learned. I'm not seeing on here when it says it's actually due.
Maybe it was a one email or something. Looking on the note from the instructor from week 11, lesson 11.
Let's see what that one says. So week 11 just says next week is week 12. Any work you are completing should be turned in by Saturday, July 16th at midnight. Okay, I will give you until Monday, July 18th, midnight to complete and submit your team app. So we have till Monday at midnight.
My issue is I'm going to be gone. I'm going to be on trek on Monday.
That's right. When you don't leave till Monday, though, right? So we could do it.
I leave Monday morning at 1 a.m.
Okay, so we could potentially wait till Saturday. Work on this till Saturday.
Yes. Yes.
Well, we should at least submit everything by Saturday, right? That way, or we.
Ideally, I would.
Yeah. No, I say let's plan for that.
Because my capstone presentation is this Friday at 1:30 p.m. So once that presentation is done, I'm jumping on this for the rest of the weekend until midnight.
Did you already write your paper for the capstone? Your final paper?
No. I didn't.
The presentation's super easy, by the way. Mine lasted 9 minutes.
How did you present it? Because I'm gonna prepare like a PowerPoint and.
That's what people said they'd done. I just got out and was like, well, here's my website. And, showed it to him and then he said how did you build it? What did you learn? And that was pretty much it. And then he just asked me about school and stuff. I was super stressing over it, and it was the easiest thing ever. So
Okay.
don't stress over it.
Well, I'm just want to make sure I've got
Yeah.
enough work to to justify the entire semester.
Right.
So.
No, I'm sure you do, but just don't like that. I was freaking out over it, and it's so not a big deal. So don't let it cause you stress.
So we still gonna meet this Thursday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we probably should.
Maybe we should send Melissa an email just to remind her.
It would be awesome. Honestly, it would be absolutely awesome if we could get it functioning the way we want. So then we could focus tweaking it a little bit. Or at least dressing it up until Saturday.
Right.
With CSS and animations and things like that.
So if we get this Ajax thing done, then that covers all the topics, yeah? Or are we still...
Right, because we've got some JavaScript, we've got Ajax, and we would then need JSON in order to use Ajax, so that covers both of those, local storage, and then it's animations and CSS.
Yes, which I'm not worried about those, I guess.
I'm not too concerned about those either.
Okay, so we just got to figure out this Ajax thing.
Yeah, we just need to make it functional, and then we can
make it pretty.
Make it pretty.
Perfect. Okay, well then I'll start working on this Ajax thing right now.
Okay.
And hopefully we can figure something out.
I maybe missed it. When did you run the app, Adam? Did you have any button on it, or the next, and or is it not created yet?
Right now, you're just clicking on the word.
Oh, okay. And do you want it like that, or do you want a button? I'm just curious. Like, is it just going to be a word? Oh,
I want it. Just click the word.
Okay, gotcha.
And then we'll just put the scoring function in the correct wording. Anyway, yeah, no worries about that. I can figure that out. Sorry. Okay. All right, so next meeting time, Thursday at this time, we'll reassess. Hopefully we'll have it functioning.
Yep.
And we'll be good to go.
That would be great. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. So next time, Thursday, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock this time.
Yep. 6 o'clock, yes.
We have to have something Ajax working.
Yep, definitely.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Good. Have a good night.
All right, you too. Thanks.